need to get a chair so you can see well. Can you see what you're doing?
Yes.
What are you doing? You're sieving the flour. Yeah. Do you know why it's good to sieve flour? Because of little germs there. So it's always good to sieve your flour. So sieve it like this. Okay, wait. See? You see what? Can you see what I'm doing? Hello lovelies and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika and this is Mom's Niche Diary. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this simple and delicious pizza at home using a frying pan. Oh yeah, you heard me, using a frying pan. No oven is needed for this simple recipe. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned to watch how I make this pizza at home. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your bell notification. To make this pizza, it's really easy. All you need is your flour, some sausage, baking powder, salt. This is plain yogurt, groundnut oil, a tablespoon of groundnut oil. I'm going to leave the particular measurement I used in the description box, so please, you can feel free to check it out in the description box. And this is cheese. This is some sauce. You can also use ketchup. Now I have a homemade ketchup recipe in my videos. I'm going to leave the link up and also in my description box. So I always sieve my flour because of all the little germs and all those things that you find inside. So it's always good to sieve your flour. Okay, so let's get started. I added the baking powder and the salt. So now we're going to stir this together.